Hey everybody, Brendan here from TAT, reminding you 2 weeks to go until our next webinar. This is with our guest presenter, Sean Tipping from the USA. We are absolutely ecstatic to have him on board to present circuit analysis. Sean, if anyone listens to his automotive diagnostic podcast, which I would rate as the top diagnostic podcast out there, you'd be well familiar with Sean and his abilities as he goes about his day-to-day as a mobile diagnostic tech over in the States. So he runs into a lot of the issues that we run into, and this session is all about becoming confident with reading wiring diagrams, getting to know your way around a circuit so you can efficiently get to the bottom of it. Rave reviews when he came out and presented this at the AAA Expo. This is making it more accessible to those that may not have been able to get there. If you want a bit of a taste of it, go check out his podcast, so the Automotive Diagnostic Podcast. 2 episodes back, so a good little taste of some of the stuff he'll be going through. He ran through a case study with a Buick LaCrosse parasitic draw. So that gives you a bit of an idea of his style and some of the types of things that he's going to run through. And obviously the course itself, we go into much more detail and structure and depth. So I think this is a really exciting one. As I say, great to have an international presenter on there presenting some top class training to everyone around Australia and New Zealand and afar. We'd love to see you there. 2 weeks, check out the dates, and we'll catch you then.